Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before going to channel, please subscribe our channel. Today we are going to see about income tax return filing for salaried employees. Because since the income tax filing due date is nearing, I thought it will be useful for everyone. So let's start the video. Okay, here you can see that as a see, and we are going to see about salaried employees today. So before, there are various types of income generation from business. First, in income tax term, we will be terming as assessee. First, there is a salaried employee, income from house property, income from business or profession, capital gain, income from other sources. We will go one by one. First is salaried employees. It means that you have been working under any employers. So you have only the salary income. Second is income from house property. It means that you have a property, any building or land kind of thing. From there you are getting an income. So that is called income from house property. Third one is income from business. It means that if you have started any business, say textile business and any kind of business of nature, it will be coming under income from business. And you can see the profession. There is so many professions are there: chartered accountant, company secretary, doctor profession, architect. So all those people income will be covered under income from profession. Then capital gain. Capital gain means nothing but you have an asset which you have been sold, either if you have sold for profit or you have sold for loss. So those calculation in income tax will be covered under capital gain. Then income from other sources. So if any of the income is not covered under above 4.1, it will be covered under income from other sources. Example, fixed deposit interest. So it will be covered here. Today we are going to see only the salaried employees. So first due date we will be seeing. For financial year 2021, in income tax term, it will be called an assessment year 21-22. For financial year 2021 means it will be starting from 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021. So the due date is 30th September 2021. Normally, the due date will be for individual salaried employees will be 31st July. But this time, government has extended the due date till 30th September 2021 because due to COVID cases and what is a new income tax portal also launched. So the government has given the extension for the benefit of the assessees. Then we will be going to the slab rate. In income tax, they have given so many slab rates. In this slab is applicable for less than 60 years. Say, for example, slab rate first one, less than 2,50,000. It means that 2,50,000 per annum. If you are earning a monthly, say, for example, 21,000 kind of thing, 21,000 rupees, so it will be coming around 2,50,000. So if you are getting a salary of 2,50,000 per annum, you will not be you are not required to pay any tax. Then if your salary slab is 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, you need to pay a amount of 5% of your tax, 5% of your salary. Then if your salary is 5 lakhs, greater than 5 lakhs and less than 10 lakhs, you need to pay 20% of tax. And if you are earning more than 10 lakhs, you need to earn 30% slab. So this slab is applicable for salaried employees and less than 60 years. So this is the slab rate for 60 years people. So we will go to next one. If since we are seeing only the salaried employees, I will be explaining you what are the main things required for filing the income tax for salaried employees. First major document required is Form 16. This is provided by an employer. For example, if you are working any company, say TCS, CTS, Infosys, it's not only the big corporates. If you are working any corporate or any company, so they will be providing a Form 16, When they will provide the form 16, if your taxable salary is more than this taxable value, your salary is more than taxable value, which we have seen in the previous slide. So form 16 will be applicable only for salaried employees. So what are the things you will be available for form 16? First is you will be having employee details and employer name. It called employee means suppose I'm working in any corporate, so those called my name will be available in the employee name, and employer name also will be available along with PAN number, both company and our PAN number. And major content will be your gross salary, how much salary you have earned during the period, and standard deduction. Standard deduction means for salaried employees, the government has given a basic flat exemption of 50,000 rupees of your salary. That is a standard deduction. And these all the contents will be available. Then at the summary point of view, you will be having how much tax deducted or paid by the employee you will be having, and summary of tax paid or payable. So in this you will be available. Okay, so now we will be now if you want to file the return, these are the below basic details you need to required for salaried employees. First is income tax portal login, that is user ID and username. Since most of the people forget, 75% of the people will forget, because only once in a year you will be filing the income tax return, right? So most of the people will forget. So for since the due date is coming very near by 30th September, better you guys forget reset your password. It will be reset within 4 hours, so that you can able to log in and fill the details. And basic details we need for salary. First is deductions, LIC, life insurance premium receipts. Majority people would have been invested in LIC, so those things you need to keep a copy. And school fees, and school fees, if you are in income tax, we can able to claim the school fees for their children. So you can able to you keep those document ready. And home loan certificate, 90% of the salaried employees is locked with home loan now. Everyone would have bought a home loan now, so better you buy a home loan certificate from the banker. So in that certificate it should have two details: one is principal and interest paid. Principal details will be eligible to claim under ATC, and interest paid will be claimed under income from house property. So this is the main important document for claiming the deduction. And donation paid, if you have paid any donation to CM Relief Fund and PM Relief Fund, due to major, most of the people have donated for coronavirus. So those things you can keep it ready so that you can claim it. So thank you guys for watching the video. We will join together in the next video. Bye.